Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the alloy mag information we got in this week at Bungie, and I'm going to be talking about how this information appears to be incorrect. Right here it says that the reload empty duration scale is 0.6666, which would make you think that it would decrease reload speed by about a third, so it would take 2/3 of the time to reload your gun with alloy mag activated. But that doesn't seem to be the case. It seems as if it actually is 0.85, and I'll go over all of my information and how I found that in just a second. So first, we're going to look at my clip showing alloy mag in action. So go over to Upload Studio so we can count frames. Now I've got a Dredd Adventure here with alloy mag and Outlaw and Threat Detector, but those aren't going to be activated, so they're not a factor. And I've got all armor with no perks activated, so perks aren't interfering with any of my reload speeds. And first, we see that the Dredd Adventure starts the reload at 15 seconds and 23 frames into this clip. And it gets ammo in the mag at 16 seconds 24 frames, which is 31 frames. And then it fires at 18 seconds 29 frames. And that is 96 total frames for Dredd Adventure, and that's with nothing activated. Alloy mag's not activated, there's no loader perks or anything. And now we'll do it with alloy mag. We see that the reload animation starts at 23 seconds 25 frames, and then we get ammo in the mag at 24 seconds and 21 frames, which is 26 frames total. And then the gun fires at 26 seconds and 16 frames, which is 81 frames to fire. Next, we will look at Lincoln Green. I did a few more tests just to be sure I wasn't getting any wrong numbers there. We're looking at Lincoln Green. And Lincoln Green is a rapid fire pulse rifle. And because it's rapid fire, it's got alloy mag already baked into it. It's an intrinsic perk on the gun. So I'm just going to equip steady rounds, and we see rapid fire, slightly faster reload when magazine is empty. And I still have no perks on all my armor. So we'll just take the regular reload speed first. And we see the reload animation starts at 58 seconds and 14 frames into this clip. And we get ammo in the mag at 60 seconds and 9 frames, which is 55 frames total. And then the gun fires at 124 frames, which is 70 frames, that is. And so that's the regular, just base reload. No perks activated at all. And here it is with just the intrinsic rapid fire frame perk activated. We see the reload starts at 107.28. We get ammo in the mag at 109.12, which is 44 frames. And we get the gun fires at 109.24, which is a total of 56 frames. Now, and that was with rapid fire frame activated. Now we're going to try it with rapid fire frame and alloy mag, both active at the same time. First, I did a regular reload just to make sure that alloy mag wasn't giving any boost without it being activated, which it does not, as you would expect. Empty the mag, and the reload starts at 129.18, or actually I used the second one I did here. Okay. So empty the mag again. Reload starts at 137.02. We get ammo in the mag at 138.10, which is 38 frames. And then the gun fires at 138.20, which is a total of 48 frames. So now that we've seen all that, let's take a look at the numbers in my Excel file or Google Sheets file. Now, from this we see that the time for ammo with Dredd Adventure with no perks active is 31 and the time to fire is 96. If alloy mag was 0.666 scale, then the time to fire should be 64. But what we actually found is when alloy mag was activated, it was 81 frames. So the actual scale is closer to 0.85. And then we did the same test with Lincoln Green. No perks activated. Time for ammo is 55. Time to fire is 70. And then with rapid fire enabled and not alloy mag, time to fire is 56. So the rapid fire scale is about 0.8 or some equivalent in stat and scale. I'm not sure exactly the numbers on that. But if alloy mag were 0.6666, then the time to fire should be 37 or 38, depending on the rounding there. But what we find is when we actually have both of them on, it's 48, which is a much higher number. So the actual scale is closer to 0.85 again. So with both rapid fire and alloy mag active, you do end up with a scale of about 0.68%, which is very close to that 0.6666 number that they claimed in the TWAB. So I'm not sure exactly why the TWAB claims it is 0.6666, because it seems to be 0.85. And so I'm assuming this is just an error in the TWAB. But that is all. Thank you for watching.